Good morning. Today we're going to save some money. So we all know this electric toothbrush. This is a Oral-B from Braun. And then the problem is this replacement heads are very expensive. They're very costly. So then I found another one. It's a dental mate from the local Discount pharmacy. But this one's, the heads is relatively affordable. So I just thought about, what if I change the head? How can I modify the Braun or the Oral-B to use with the cheaper version? Then I can at least afford it. So you can't change, it's going to be too much work to change the inter parts here. So that doesn't fit. So the easiest way is to take the heads off. Okay, first what you do, you'll see here's a pin here, and the top is a small pin. Now you take your Stanley knife and then you just cut a little bit piece of plastic, but careful not to leave sharp edges. It could hurt your mouth and the inside. And then you cut it in a pin, and then you pull it, and then it comes out. See, there's a little pin, it comes out. And then you can remove this head. Now you put this aside. They all look relatively the same. The only difference is between the dental mate and the Braun of Oral-B is the pin. There's the center where it revolves around. The center pin is a little bit bigger. So same idea here. You remove this pin, and then I'm gonna take. This is the worn head. You take it out, put it aside, and then what you do now, you'll see there's a thin pin from the Oral-B. There's one a little bit bigger, but it won't hassle, but it doesn't go in too much because the pin is too long. Now what you do then, I just take my drill with a small drill bit, and I'm just going to clean up that hole a little bit, make it a little bit deeper. And then until it fits properly, so that I can put the pin back. If you put the pin, then put it in there in the slot here that it can't pull out. Now you put it there again. See, we're almost there. So we're just gonna see if they've got the same depth, so it will. The only thing you need to do here, I think there's another issue here. We need to cut the little plastic here. There's a little thing in there that causes the thing to stuck. Just make a little dent in there. That's it. There you go. It's just for it to revolve around. Now let's just make sure that thing is wide enough for your head to revolve in a nice area to move inside the radius, and then just put it back. That's it. And now let's put the pin back. Now it is the thicker pin of the two. We're gonna put just make sure there's no sharp edges there where you took the pin out. Here's another little issue here. It's supposed to go all the way. If you use that thick pin, see that pin goes in there, then it revolves around there. Let's just try another shot here. Now it's a little bit stiff. I think I will just maybe take it out a little bit and then make that little area a little bit wider. Just leave it a little in plastic there. I think we have an issue here also. So this one has a middle little pipe. It's a little bush inside. It's actually better than the Oral-B. You just then go and see, this thing is full of surprises. See, it needs to move like this. Now let's just put a little bit back. I think we need to just cut this bottom part, make it a little bit. It needs to go in a little bit deeper. Let's try again. Put this back here. See, that's already better. See, this is what the issue is. Let's plug it in here. See, now I have a brand new head. I think let's just finally just fine tune it a little bit, or you can take a file and just make it a little bit deeper. So you need to operate inside there. You can't put any oil or something, the water's not a lubrication. There's your pin. I think that's it. Okay, there's another option that I thought about. What you can do, you take your worn toothbrush and then you take a Stanley knife and then you just go and cut off all the brushes here. That is clean it up, then you take the cheaper brand, cut it off here, the whole head off, and then you take some sort of glue, just makes your parts clean, and then you glue your new one on top of the Oral-B's back handle, and then it will give you double the life. I don't know if you're going to get the glue off. Maybe if you take a hot glue, just make sure your surface is a little bit hot before you touch it, and then you can just heat it up and it comes loose again and put another one on. Okay, that's just another way where I thought about changing heads or for your toothbrush. Okay, this is all from my side today. As I said, the Oral-B is a very good brand handle with the motor and the electronics inside. It's very sturdy. It works long for a long time, lasts long. Whereby the dental mate, the cheaper brands, doesn't work so quite well. The front piece and the battery doesn't. Some of them has a replacement normal AA battery inside, but doesn't work so well. As long as you have this handle, you have a good toothbrush. You just need to change the front head. That is expensive. Okay, but I think maybe for you guys that's not so won't be able to do the fine job, just cut off the heads. I say the brushes, take this in, stick it on there, and maybe it works. Okay, that's all from my side today. Till next time, cheers.